Hi everybody, Jeff.Wilson with Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today I'd like to present to you a 2019 Winnebago Horizon. This is a 40A. Absolutely wonderful. Let's take a look inside. Touchpad lighting right up here, so easy to get our ceiling lights. Let's go some hallway lights. And what great usable space in this coach throughout the lounge area and into the kitchen. Let's start here in the lounge. So it's got a power recliner, easy to use. You want to get comfy, just kind of kick back with a power switch just like that. This coach has dual pane thermal pane windows, so very easy to keep cool when it's hot outside. So you get the TV that comes up on the televator, and then the adjustable dinette table here in front. So you can move this down to access your storage. A little bit of storage over here. And then we can move it back this way. We want to adjust and get to the storage over here. So good access. A little bit of a woofer there. It's got the sound bar with the TV right there. And very, very nice on the finish for the cabinetry. I'm going to push this back to here. And then, if you want to extend the table, that table will come out for an added leaf to give you a bigger dinette area if you want to do a card game or board game. So nice to use. Easy to put that table where you want it. Lock it in. And then there's two more fold-down chairs. Right now they're down in a slide-out tray in the underbay compartment. But nice little table. And then in the kitchen area, really nice sink covers. And look at these basins. So big wash basin here, if I can get out of your way. And then a smaller rinse basin over here. But very good usable space in there. And then you got the roller latches for the overhead cabinetry. And good storage in here. And then they're doing a induction style cooktop. And then more drawers here. Oversized drawers under that. And three big ones there. This will give you really good under sink storage there. This one here is going to access to the microwave convection, and then also there's a dishwasher here below, and another slide out storage drawer. So great use of space there. And then if you don't want everybody looking at that, once again, then you can just close that off. Makes it have a real nice finish look. Built-in inverter for the residential style refrigerator. And that's got excellent size and space in there. And then into the bedroom area. So adjustable bed in the bedroom area. And this is a king. And then it also has up underneath, if I can get to here, has some overhead controls for at nighttime, so we can adjust there's a ceiling fan in here, we can shut off the generator, we can add a light on or a light off in the master, and then kind of do our little, make sure that we have everything at our fingertips control. Another TV across from the bed, in case you want to catch the news at night. And that is on a TV televator lift as well, right here from the bed. And then under, you get more, little bit of storage in there. And then great built-in drawers, both sides. 3 on this side and then 3 over here. And then behind I got this little secret little storage area here. So this one comes open, and you have another little storage area here. And then to the back, we're built in with a washer and dryer. So access here. And it gives you a really big closet, hanging closet, wardrobe. Excellent use of space back there. Back into the bathroom, so you get access to the bathroom from the master, or you got access to the bathroom from in here in the lounge area. And a very big shower stall with a built-in bench. Very roomy, nice big shower. And then double vanities. So twins there with lots of storage. Drawers all the way down. And then they also give you the vanity storage up above. So 3 of those. And I think I've got a little tiny bit right here. Another little storage closet area. So excellent room there in the bathroom. And into the cockpit area, notice the oversized passenger chair. And then still a big captain's chair, but not nearly as big as the passenger's chair. So when that one comes around, that creates a full-on recliner. Of course, engine brake and everything you'd be expecting to have with the Freightliner drop rail chassis. And this is a 400 horsepower Cummins diesel motor in here. So excellent combination there. Let's take a look outside. Oh, before we go, you're in the cockpit. So you've got navigation up here and backup cameras and everything here for the passenger as well. So you've got one monitor here and another one for the passenger. So you get both. Suicide doors to open up your storage area with a great big pull-out tray. So as that comes, here's a couple of fold-down chairs. Good room there with more storage underneath. And then so you get this door closing, and then it's just got a little wire release. You pull that wire release and opens that door back up. So that one goes in first, and then this one behind it to close that back down. So aqua hot equipped, so radiator style heating. And then we got a built-in, let's see. Whoop. And a little built-in freezer, refrigerator. So double slide outs to this side, and on the main slide we've got exterior entertainment, so an outside TV. And this is a full body paint coach and an overhead nice big power awning, and it does have the awning topper covers over the slide outs. So more storage towards the rear and a small storage bay here. Very good looking finished rear cap on this one. And then around we've got battery access. We've got the def tank and your power cord. Here we've got the inverter or battery disconnect switch. And then I think more access here. Oh yeah, so this is our wet bay. Hookups to the water, outside shower, and then your black and gray dumps right in there. They do have the Santa Flush hookup, so you can hook a hose in there when you're cleaning out your black tank to get that clean. And a whole house filter. and then more access here, and that's going to access this pull-out tray. It's got the suicide door that'll open the second time from here. So you could run that slide-out tray back on the door side, or you can run it back out this way on the off-door side. So that's kind of handy. And then just a fuse panel box here. Technicians, if they might need to get in there. So a fantastic coach. Boy, it's had a lot of attention already since it's got here. At nighttime, this is going to light up real nice with LED strips. Winnebago Horizon, this is a 2019 model in a 40A. If you're interested in this coach or others we might have like it, please give me a call at the number below.